Animal Jam Love here, and I'm having fun. Oh my god. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Look at that. Add friend. Well, I don't know. Guess not. Look at this party that just opened. Look at the bounce house. I'm telling everybody I'm recording. Hold on. Oops. LOL. Everybody's like, what the heck? Too bad it doesn't let you do YouTube. What? Say hi, I'm recording. Everybody's like, what the frick? Some person said hi. Can you be my mom? Who do you think I am, 30? No. No. Everybody's like, oh my god. No. I'm not gonna be your mother. I'm gonna go in the bounce house. Say hi. I'm Cora. Dang. Oh, whoops. Well, shout out to her, him. Okay. What the? So, look, when I go down the slide, whee! Wait, say I if you've seen me in a video. Yeah, I, because I'm recording. I wish I could say YouTube. Hello. Wait. Channel. Oh my god. You can't even see YouTube in this. Can I trade? There's nothing cool with this. Hypno glasses. Seeing what? Bunny fence. Okay. Well guys, this is kind of like a short Animal Jam video. What? That was another slide? There's another slide, people. How did I go up this one? Oh! there's another layer. I have my own little bouncing spot. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. My parties, adventures, spring festival, bounce house party. What else? Spring festival. Since my birthday was on Easter, I'm now 12 years old. Oh God, there's me. Well, I don't really know where to go. What the? There's literally nobody here. Dance on the flower. Yeah, no, I don't feel like it. How do I go back to Parker? Okay, I'm pretty sure I want to leave. I want to go to that bounce house party again. Oh no, I'm gonna. Ooh, somebody sent me a jammogram. How are you, a new jammer? I don't know. I'm not really sure. Alright, wait, what? Okay, you know what? Whatever. I'm gonna see what people react. Say hi, I'm recording. Say hi, I'm recording. Nobody. Oh, look at the cute little. Oh, dang it. It's because I'm not famous on YouTube, am I? People don't realize who I am. I don't have any subscribers. I almost have to wrap this video up, guys. Due to my iOS being suckish, I can only record like 10 to 15 minute videos. This is a perfect place. Look at this. If this was real, I would probably fall off already. No. Oh my God, what is this? Den shop. Boom, boom, boom. I really want the, oh, dang. That's it? I really want that. Fantasy castle. So, guys, thank you for liking and subscribing to me. Hopefully, if you are. Hopefully. But I'll see you guys maybe. What does this go to? I'll see you guys maybe, just maybe. Sale on plants? Oh my God, that is so cute. But I can't buy it because I don't have enough money. I need to save my money for my character. Frick. I already ruined it. Whoa, what the frick is this? I wish I got rares. I wish I had rares. It takes like years to find ultra rares, which I really want. Wee! Fail. Wait, I want to see how they react. I'm recording. Finally, someone actually reacts. Oh my God. What's that big bunny doing? Oh. Holy crap. How was it big though? It was just big. What? wait, crap. You guys are on video. You guys are on video. Bye. Oh, wow. Bye, guys. I have to go. Meep. This dude keeps on saying meep. I'm sorry, it's been a little quiet in this video. It's currently 7:20 right now, and I'm kind of tired. Meep. Okay, well,